Hi, my name is Sharon Hearn-Smith. I've worked as a food stylist and home economist for over 16 years in London, New York, and now Dublin, where I live with my husband Martin and my little girl Pearl. Now it's time to unveil to you my own book. I want to show you how easy it is to no-bake bake. So what shall I make for you? Oh, I know just the one. My raspberry and chocolate crepe-a-thon cake. First, to make my crepe batter, I need flour, icing sugar and cocoa powder. Pour in some cream and milk and then the eggs. Simply whisk until smooth. Now for the crepe-a-thon bit, add a small ladleful of batter to the centre, cook for about 45 seconds and then flip it over and cook for another 30 seconds. Sift some icing sugar into a bowl of softened cream cheese. Pour over the raspberry puree and fold everything together well. Now for the fun part. No baking involved, I get to build the cake. Spoon over some softly whipped cream, pile fresh raspberries on top, and then I've made this gorgeous hazelnut praline. Then finish with fresh mint leaves and drizzle over some raspberry puree. There you have it, my raspberry and chocolate crepe-a-thon cake. A perfect no-bake bake.